Yo, welcome back to the channel. I guess my other car, I got so many cars, a Civic, was getting jealous of all the attention, so it decided to blow the front main seal out and just gush oil. I mean, out of nowhere. So what I'm gonna do today is pull it apart, try to get the main seal out, and I guess I'm gonna have to redo all the timing and everything on it to get to the main seal on the crank. Now I have to remove the timing belt, all the belts, the harmonic balancer and all that good stuff. So I'm not sure if I'm gonna get that done 100% today. That's a lot of work. It's a lot. Some people was like, well, maybe you just push it back on. Nah, I don't want to do that. I'm just gonna go ahead and replace it with a another seal. It's been in there probably about, it hasn't been in there long, maybe close to like 40,000 miles at the most. It should have been going a lot longer, but oh hey. So we're gonna work on that today and get that knocked out. So let's get started. All right, so I got all my tools laid out. I got the wheel off. I got the car jacked off. Jacked up. and I gotta use this special tool here to take off the harmonic balancer. So I'm gonna see if I can break that loose real quick. I forgot which way it turns. So I think it turns clockwise. So if it's clockwise, let's see, put it in like that. I know it's a bit of a pain. There we go. Alrighty. Okay, that was I think the hardest part, as in breaking bolts loose. So I'm gonna put all this to the side, and I need to get all the belts and everything off. It has a wing nut, but it has a bolt. Let me show you guys real quick. This bolt right here, we need to get that one loose right there. I don't know if you can see that one. We need to get that loose right there. I think that's a 12. Alright, so I just took the bolt out for the harmonic balancer. Let's see if I can slide it out here. There we go. And that's it there. And let me see. I don't know if you can see all the where the oil is coming out of. Just right out the bottom here. Wipe some of this extra off. And it's been getting all over the A-arm, the subframe, all up here, everywhere. Just gonna clean that out the way so it won't get too oily. Get some more of this off. And I rebuilt this engine a couple years ago. No, it's been longer than that. I think it's been like maybe about 6 or 7 years. Alrighty. I guess I can pull off the bottom cover, timing cover, and take a closer look. Now, if I do remember, I think I'm gonna have to brace the engine if I have to remove the timing belt, because I have to remove the front mount for the engine. So let me grab some stuff to remove the 10mm bolts around the lower cover and see what it's looking like. All right, so I got everything off. Now what I have to do, and let me show you something else. This lower cover is just destroyed. Now I remember this part breaking off, but I don't remember this melting like this, and it's been rubbing into the belt, and I was wondering why I keep having to replace belts. So I'm gonna have to go to Honda tomorrow and get this, because it's also broken here, and the tab is broken off over here, and that's what's holding it on. So I'm not going to use this. I'm just going to wait and grab another one, but I'm going to go ahead and finish up replacing the seal, and I can actually get it all back together and start the car without those covers on it, to make sure. But I'm not even sure I want to do that, because if I do that, then I have to take it all back apart again to put the cover back on. But I'm probably going to do that anyway, because I want to make sure it's going to be okay. So now I just got to undo that tensioner, and let's see here, wipe some of this excessive oil off, and pull the timing belt off. And I need to make sure that it's in top dead center. If not, it's not a biggie, because I can always change the settings, put it back in time. Yeah, the mark is over here. I mean, as long as I don't move this, it's probably be alright, but I'll probably recheck the timing anyway. So I'm gonna go ahead and take the belt off, so I could get that lower sprocket off of there. Probably gonna be a two-part video. Let me show you guys. So everything is going super easy, and then I ran into this brand new gasket, not a gasket but seal, front crank seal to be exact, and I looked at it and it looks like it's been smashed. And if you take a look at this, let me see if I can show you, it's all torn apart. Boy, if it ain't one thing, it's another. So I need to try to find another one real quick. And I had to special order this one. I should have just ordered it from Honda. Yep. So be right back. Welcome back to the second part of the Honda Civic. Like I left off, I didn't have the right parts. Well, I had the right part. It was no good. It was damaged from AutoZone. So I actually went to the dealer and got the new parts that we need. So I got the main seal. If you guys want to see that part number there, that's the main seal, and it's going to be black. And then also I got the covers. So this cover, like I said, one side was broke, and it kind of bowed out the way and started wearing on the belts, and I was wondering why I kept losing belts. So now I know. So I got a new one with all the new gaskets, and I don't know why that was melted. Look inside of here, it looks pretty nasty. Yeah, that's crazy, right? So, but I got the new one, and we're gonna go ahead and put that back together today, and hopefully I get done completely done with it because this car's been sitting for a while because I haven't had time. I had time. I didn't want to do it. I didn't feel like doing it. I would work on the element, but I got to get it done because it's just. Alright, from where I left off, all I have to do is put the seal back in, and I think that's it. Here's the old one here, and the inside, it is rock hard, like solid. I've never seen that before, even on some engines, you know, from a long time. Now this one's black. Now I believe this one I got from DNJ. I got it from there. All the other parts I ever got from there was fine. It's just this one, and it looks exactly like factory, but it's not. So let me clean that up real quick and push in a new one, and then we get started putting it back together. You can see that I have it in there. Let me get a little more light just in case, and got the sealing around it, and it looks good to go. So now I just got to put the gearing back together and do the timing, and I think that's about it. So let me grab the gear real quick. I wish I could put you guys in there, but it's kind of hard to see. But let me see if I can make some room here. Alright, so I got the timing belt back on. It's in time. Cam gear says up. You put that up to up. Then before you take it all apart on the harmonic balancer, you want to make sure it's at TDC, top dead center. And now we can slide this on, and I'm missing something. Oh, the keyway for the, okay, no, I'm not missing it, it's over there. So I just got to slide this up in place. And I never, this whole time working on this car, the other one, I guess it was so greasy, I didn't know it was a little access door here. And I think that's for the timing when you put it together. So slide this back up there. See if I get it up there. And bolt it back in, and I will bring you guys back in on this startup. All right, so I got all the covers on. I have all the belts and everything back in. Just double checking. I got my cam sensor in, the top cover in, the lower cover, all the bolts are in. I got the harmonic balancer on, put Loctite, torqued it. I think that is it. So I guess I can start it. yeah, let's start it, see what happens. Because if I got that timing wrong, we definitely about to find out really quick. Let me go ahead and put the tire on and lower it back down, because it's had to make sure the oil pickup, I can't remember exactly which end it's on, so I want to put the tire back on and lower it down before I do that. Kind of be a little bit responsible. Oh, it started, it's running. You see the belt, so I must have got it right. So I'm gonna let it run for a while and hopefully it's not leaking, because before I just let it run for a little bit and I have like a puddle, huge puddle, like in seconds. So let me get under and look. No leak, so that's good. So I guess that's it, guys. I guess we'll wrap this up. Getting this all done here. And like I was telling you, this car has been through a lot. Had 3 accidents in it, so it's got a couple salvage titles. But I replaced everything on here, so I wanted to keep it. From the transmission being new engine, every accessory on it is new, so she runs pretty good. Sometimes I have to throw a wrench at her too, but she does get jealous because I'll be working on other cars, so she'll break down on me. And for some reason she doesn't like the cold at all. Like, it won't start when it's cold. So I have to put a booster on it to get it to turn even faster to get it started. If not, I just let it sit out here in the sun, and then it will start once it warms up. But other than that, I think we're good to go. The element is leaking radiator fluid. Uh-oh. I'm gonna have to put it back in and see what's going on with it. But I guess that's it, guys. If you have any questions on the Civic, she's been, like I said, she's been around for a while. Actually, yeah, this car has been around longer than all the cars that I have, because this car came with us in Texas. So like I said, if you guys have any questions, please comment, like, and subscribe. Give me a thumbs up or a thumbs down. I don't mind, whatever it may be. And give me a comment as well. Until then, guys, I'll see you later.